Okay, here we have the Honda CBR1000F Hurricane. Just a fantastic machine here. It runs, rides, and shifts very smoothly through all the gears. All of the lights are working. It doesn't smoke out of the exhaust or leak any fluids. No trouble like that. Recently the bike has been fully serviced here. It has new tires, front and rear, new brake pads, front and rear as well. We've also done a new set of fork seals with fork oil there. The seat we had properly reupholstered, which looks rather sharp, though it is not factory. It is very close. This machine has just over 30,000 miles on the original engine. Certainly a lot of life left to go for a Honda. This machine has some cam chain noise at idle, which is incredibly common for the first generation 1000 CBRs. If you do a little bit of Googling, you'll find that to be the case. Many people report 80,000, 90,000 miles on these machines with a cam chain noise the entire time. There is a gentleman from the Netherlands who has developed a way to modify the factory cam chain tensioner, which prevents the noise, but it is purely a nuisance. It is not a mechanical urgency requiring attention, so we're just going to leave that as it will. I'll demonstrate that in a moment when I start it, but I'll hold the bike roughly 2,500 RPMs as well. You'll notice that the sound goes away with some RPMs. So it's purely at idle. When you're operating it, it's not slapping around, not doing anything unusual. Rather common for Hondas to have some cam chain noise. In any case, let's go ahead and fire it up and demonstrate all the features. You may have noticed after releasing the throttle there that the noise became a little bit more pronounced. It kind of comes and goes at idle, like I mentioned, and there's a way to correct for that should you want to. Mechanically, it's not an issue, but in any case, the machine is ready to go. There is a chunk of plastic missing right here, which should be a thin strip of plastic there from the nose fairing. Otherwise, the machine is in really good order, ready to go. Rather clean example, being made out of plastic, certainly. Don't hesitate to ask any questions or provide a few comments. Thanks for watching.